everyone. Welcome to my channel. In previous video, I told you that Todd's mummy was being CT scanned, and then the $1 million CT scanner got out of order due to sand in its cooler fan, and then the workman ran to bring alternate fans. Fortunately, the alternate fans worked, and then the procedure of scanning Tut's mummy was completed. Okay, afterwards, Tut's mummy was handed over to the workman to be carried to its tomb. So, we are to start from this paragraph. Back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images of Tut on a computer screen. Then, in the trailer, a technician showed surprising images of Tut on the computer screen. Means CT scan was done, and then the technician pulled up, means showed surprising images of Tut on the computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels. First of all, the head took shape. The head was shown. The head was visible on the computer screen, and it took shape after scattering of pixels, जो छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस होते हैं पिक्चर्स में, मतलब उसको जूम करते हैं तो छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस दिखाई देते हैं, मैं इनको पिक्सल्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो पिक्सल्स के स्कैटरिंग होने से हेड ने शेप ले लिया. ठीक है, let's proceed. And the technician's spun tilted it in every direction, and then the technician inquired this image. He observed it by spinning and tilting it in every way. हर दिशा में, डायरेक्शन में इसको घुमाया, झुकाया, मतलब इधर उधर से इसको देखा. Neck vertebra appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class, and afterwards neck vertebra appeared on the computer screen, and it was as clear as it is in an anatomy class. Neck vertebra क्या होती है स्टूडेंट्स? सॉरी, पर students, you may see neck vertebrae. Okay, here it is. This is each of the series of small bones connecting to the neck. Yes, neck vertebra appeared as clearly as in anatomy class, and then other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a transection of the skull. Then there were several images of hand and several images of his rib cage were shown on the computer screen, and a transection of the skull. And then the transection क्या होता है? Division. It means division. And then the division of the skull was also shown. The complicated structure of the skull was also shown. But for now, the pressure was off. And what was the result of this CT scan now? That the tension, stress was over. Whose stress? Jahi Hawass stress. Okay. Sitting back in a chair, Jahi Hawass smiled. Jahi Hawass was the secretary. Okay. Jahi Hawass began smiling, sitting in his chair, visibly relieved, and he got a little relief that nothing had gone seriously wrong. Means he got some relief after knowing that nothing had gone wrong with Tut's mummy. I didn't sleep last night, not for a second, he said. He declared that due to stress he was unable to sleep the previous night. He was thinking that something had gone wrong with Tut's mummy, but after CT scan, it was clear that nothing had gone wrong with it. So he got some relief. His stress was over. He said, "I was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep." and now he was free from that stress, and he thought that he would be able to enjoy a sound sleep. Okay, so the last paragraph of the chapter. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs to the sandy ground, the wind had stopped. कहते कि जब तक हमने जो है उसको, बाय द टाइम वी लेफ्ट द ट्रेलर, जब हमने ट्रेलर को छोड़ा, ट्रेलर से निकले, डिसेंडिंग मेटल स्टेयर्स टू द सैंडी ग्राउंड, और उतर करके ट्रेलर से निकल करके मतलब हम मेटल स्टेयर्स से होते हुए सैंडी ग्राउंड पर आ गए. स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाई थी जिसमें मैंने आपको ट्रेलर दिखाया था और उसके साथ में एक रैम्प टाइप में दिखाया था. तो मतलब वो जो एक्चुअल में तट के टाइम में जो तट की मम्मी को स्कैन करने के लिए जब उसको ट्रेलर में ले जाया गया, तो वो रैम्प की जगह स्टेयर्स थी, मतलब उस तरीके से जो हाइड्रोलिक लिफ्ट के ऊपर, तो वो मेटल की स्टेयर्स थी. ठीक है, तो वो स्टेयर्स उनकी बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. तो डिसेंडिंग, उतर करके मेटल स्टेयर से वो उतरे और सैंडी ग्राउंड में आ गए, बाहर आ गए मतलब ट्रेलर से. ओके, दे केम आउट ऑफ द ट्रेलर एंड द विंड हैड स्टॉप्ड, एंड बाय दैट टाइम द विंड वाज ओवर, द विंड हैड स्टॉप्ड ब्लोइंग. The winter air lay cold and still, and the winter air was quite cold, quite chilled, like death itself. It was chilled like death. डेथ में भी आदमी की बॉडी जो होता है वो ठंडी पड़ जाती है बिल्कुल, तो डेथ खुद कोल्ड होती है, तो विंटर एयर भी डेथ की तरह बहुत कोल्ड थी. इन दिस वैली ऑफ द डिपार्टेड, डिपार्टेड मीन डिसीज्ड, मरे हुए. In this valley of the deceased, the winter air was as cold as death itself. Just above the entrance to Tut's tomb stood Orion, and at the entrance of Tut's tomb stood Orion. Orion खड़ा हुआ था टट्स की टॉम के एंट्रेंस पर ही. Orion, who is Orion? The constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris. Orion means the constellation. Constellation जो तारों का ग्रुप होता है और उससे कोई पिक्चर फॉर्म हो जाती है, that is called constellation. That the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, and the Egyptians considered it the soul of Osiris. The god Osiris कौन है? The god of the afterlife. यहाँ इस धरती पर मौत के बाद अगले जन्म का देवता वो ओसिरस होता है. तो इस कॉन्स्टिलेशन को वो लोग क्या मानते हैं? ओरायन मानते हैं, मीन्स सोल ऑफ ओसिरस, ओसिरस की आत्मा. Watching over the boy king, and Orion was watching over the boy king, King Tut actually, its mummy. Okay students, and let me show you constellation so that you may have a clear idea of the constellation. So this is, you may see the pictures of constellation. See, star of groups, group of stars. Okay, so you may see here different pictures are formed. Okay, so this is constellation. Yes students, the chapter is over and I hope it is clear to you. Now come to the exercise. Give reasons for the following. King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. Yes students, Tut, you know the answer very well. Let's discuss it. King Tut belonged to a very powerful dynasty of Egypt. Okay, his dynasty ruled over Egypt for many centuries, and he became king at the age of 9 and ruled over for about 9 years. Then he died all of a sudden. His death came under mysterious conditions. So it was not clear how he died, what happened to him actually. Okay, to unfold this mystery, his mummy has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. बार बार उसकी स्क्रूटनी हुई. Repeated scrutiny means frequent scrutiny. In 1968 it was CT scanned, and then in 2005 it was, sorry, in 1968 it was x-rayed, and then in 2005 it was CT scan. Sorry for inconvenience, students. Yes, Howard Carter's investigation was resented. Yes, how would you attempt the answer of this question, students? So let me help you to make it quite easy. Howard Carter's investigation was resented. You know very well that Howard Carter chiseled away the solidified material, and in that process he severed nearly all major parts of Tut's mummy. Yeah, means he was deviated from scientific method, and this was the reason that his investigation was resented. Okay, so you would write, कैसे अटेम्प्ट करेंगे आप लोग कि हवार्ड कार्टर्स इन्वेस्टिगेशन was resented because he left the mummy in a very bad condition. He severed nearly all the major parts. He was deviated from the scientific method, and this was the reason that his investigation was protested. Resented means protested. Carter had to chisel away the solidified resins to raise the king's remains. Now come to the third question. Why Carter had to chisel away the solidified resins? Yes, guess all of you. Yes, right. Actually, the resins which was used to preserve Tut's mummy had become hardened, and it had cemented Tut's mummy with the inner coffin, due to which it was not possible for Carter to raise the king's remains. Ultimately, he had to ask his men to chisel away the solidified materials. And in this process, they cut all his major parts. Means he had no way to take Tut's mummy out of the coffin. However, he kept it in the sunlight also to loosen the resins, to melt the resins. But the sunlight, the scorching sunlight, the blazing sunlight also did not have any effect on the solidified resins. Okay, so he had to chisel it. And then Tut's body was buried along with the gilded treasures. Why was Tut's body buried along with gilded treasures? Actually, King Tut was fabulously rich, and the royal people were obviously fabulously rich, and they believed that they could take their riches with them, and they believed in afterlife. So they thought that they would use their riches in next life, and this was the reason that King Tut was also buried with the gilded treasures. Okay, now come to the fifth question. The boy king changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. Why? Yes, the boy changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun because he was a staunch follower of Amun, the major god of the Egyptians, and he wanted to restore the old ways of worship to the people. His predecessor had shattered the faith, the religious faith, actually his predecessor had attacked the religious sentiments of the people, and he wanted to make the people believe that he wanted to promote the worship of Amun. He was also a follower of Amun. So first of all, he changed his name. Okay, list the deeds that led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as Oveki. Yes, what? Why it happened that Ray Johnson called Akhenaten as Vicky? क्यों बोला था उसको Vicky क्यों बोला था? तो क्या बात थी ऐसी? Let's see. Ray Johnson described Akhenaten as Vicky because he did all strange deeds in his regime. He changed his name from Amenhotep IV to Akhenaten because he followed Aten, the sun disk, and he wanted the people to worship him. And then and not only this, broke all the statues of Amun and closed his temples. Okay, so and one more thing was there, students. He changed the religious capital from Thebes to Akhitati. Okay, due to all these strange deeds, Ray Johnson said that Akhenaten was wacky, or he had gone mad, crazy. What were the results of the city scan? Come to this question now. What were the results of the city scan? देखिए, city scan provided the precise detail. It showed clear image of his head. Okay, means you can say that the CT scan of Tut's body revealed astonishing images. First of all, a grey head took shape from scattering of pixels, and neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and transection of the skull. Ultimately, it declared that Tut was not murdered. He met a natural death. आप इस तरीके से इसको attempt करेंगे. Then list the advances in technology that have improved forensic analysis. So what would you say in this question? So, students, listen. Advances in technology have brought about a paradigm shift in the approach to archaeology. Archaeology and its study, okay, it has given impetus to unfolding the fascinating details of life and unsolved mysteries of death. The use of X-ray machines and a computed tomography or CT specialization in radiology have all contributed in improved forensic analysis, actually. Okay, so you would write in this way. Explain the statement King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. Students, while teaching the text, I taught you that King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life, means King Tut is one of the first mummies which were scanned. Okay, so King Tut was forerunner after death, as he was a forerunner in his lifetime. He became king at the age of 9 and then ruled over for 9 years, and he did he did all remarkable deeds in his lifetime, all appreciating deeds in his lifetime. His predecessor Amenhotep IV shocked the people by attacking the major god of the Egyptians. He closed all the temples of Amun, and then broke his statues. So in this way, he attacked the religious sentiments of the people. He hurt them. But when King Tut became king, when Tut became king, uh, he tried to convince the people that he wanted to promote the worship of Amun. He first of all changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun in order to show the people that he was their well-wisher. He was the follower of Amun, and he wanted to stand by the people. He wanted to lead them according to their desire. Okay, so and he opened the temples of Amun and got the statues of Amun built. So in this way, he impressed the people. He did all good things, good deeds. ठीक है, ये सब बातें आप इसमें मेंशन करेंगे इस तरीके से. ये चैप्टर इज ओवर स्टूडेंट्स.